So let's talk notifications and general settings. I don't know about you, but when I place an order from a store, first thing I do is check my email to make sure it's confirmed and that I have all the information that I need. This is also going to be a great place, a great touch point, a place where you can sort of build your brand and endear yourself to the customer. So it's important. So in this video, we're going to focus on order confirmation and abandoned checkout, which are a couple of the most important. Order confirmation is that email you get right away after you place the order. Abandoned checkout is someone that's checking out of your store and they decide not to purchase anymore and they bail. You want to email both these people right away. So let's do this. Go into your admin, click on settings, and there should be something in here called notifications. So here is like all the automated notifications and emails and things that are sent to your customer. One thing that's really cool is you can give all of these a customized look and feel, because it's a lot of work to go into each individual one, by clicking this customize button here on the left. So I'd recommend changing the accent color to something that's on brand, and of course uploading your logo here as well. Of course, always remember, click save. So just to be clear, you've now branded all of these notifications that were on the prior page. So it kind of gives a blanket sort of hug to all these emails. But like I said before, we're going to just customize two in detail just so you get a hang for things. Let's click on order confirmation here. Now all the defaults for these are pretty good. So if you're going to do nothing to any of these, your customer's still going to have a good experience. But eventually you do want to customize. So like if you're a coder, you can get in here and make some changes. You can preview it. I honestly just usually recommend leaving it as is. Now go ahead and click on abandon checkout as promised. So always click preview to check these out. The goal of this email is to get someone to come back. They just left your checkout. You want them to purchase again. So maybe you want to change this. Hey, complete your purchase. Something like that. I don't know. You can be creative. Of course, remember to click save. So basically just go through any of these that look really important and pertinent to your business and customize them accordingly. So now let's quickly do the general settings, because there's not a ton to them, but click settings on the bottom left and then general, of course. So first make sure the email is correct and obviously the store name. I like to put the industry that I'm in here, beauty of course. So I would recommend adding in your store address and the phone number that you want displayed. Also the time zone that you're in and the unit system. Just make sure this stuff is, correct. And of course currency, right? So you just want to make sure that these are okay and say what you want to say and click save. One thing to note that's on this page that's kind of random is the suffix for your order IDs. If you want to have a special character, this is where you change it. And it's kind of a random location, so I thought I'd point that out. And that's basically it. Nothing much to it. We've dialed in our general settings and also our notifications.